Il-kumpanija Brandstatter ilha f'pajjiżna mill-1971 timmanifattura pupi tal-Playmobil u timpjega ma' 800 persuna. F'intervista fil-programm Reporter ma' Xavier Balzan, Helge Ellul, kap eżekuttiv tal-Brandstatter u li għal numru ta' snin kienet President tal-Kamra tal-Kummerċ, saħqet il-waqt li pajjiżna mar tajjeb f'setturi bħal dak finanzjarju hemm bżonn ukoll li jżomm id-diversità fl-ekonomija tiegħu. Tkellmet dwar il-ħtieġa li tingħata attenzjoni lil setturi bħal dak tal-manifattura fejn hemm jaħdmu mal-21,000 persuna.
Do we want to continue having manufacturing? I think we need to have it because I think it's manufacturing as well leads to R&D, leads to innovation. So I think we need to continue to look after that part of our economy.
Helge Ellul semmit kif dan is-settur kien milqut mill-kontijiet tad-dawlu l-ilma.
And that has been obviously quite severely affected with electricity rates. I mean, a lot of manufacturing are heavily energy users.
Il-kap eżekuttiv tal-Brandstatter saħqet fuq l-ħtieġa illi ma jingħatawx xokkijiet lill-ekonomija.
You need to sort of find systems of how to get the companies ready to adopt it and find time frames. You can't just shock the economy. I mean, I think shocks are what you can't take.
Ellul qalet li fl-industrija huwa importanti ħafna li jkun jista' jsir ippjanar bil-qudiem. L-appell tagħha lill-Gvern kien ċar. Tollix l-aspettattivi meta tniedi xi riforma u bħala eżempju semmi dik ta' trasport pubbliku.
So don't raise expectations. Be a bit more sort of maybe out and say, listen, this is a big change. We will need to tweak it as we go along. We know that. I mean, nothing goes from day one perfectly. But don't say it will. Say that there will be problems.